20 minutes in the forest and she said, nah, stop this, I'm going home.
It was terrible, bro. You know, I was almost dead. When I come back, I don't know, you did this to me. When you come back. ഒത്തിരി സ്ലമ്മുകൾ പണ്ടോട്ടെ ചെളിയൊക്കെ പിടിച്ച് ആമസോണിൽ You see? Yeah.
Where is it?
Crazy.
Grab him. I'll eat him.
Yeah, catch it, bro. Catch it, bro. Come on. Yes. Yeah, Paul, come on. It's here.
Ese para piraña.
Hang on, get back in there. Throw him in.
Catch it. Paul, he's scared. എൻ്റെ പൊന്നെ ആമസോണിൽ കൂടെ പോവായിരുന്നേ ഫിഷ് പറന്നൊരു 5-6 കയറി ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വന്നു എൻ്റെ പൊന്നെ ക്യാമറ ഓണാൻ അതുകൊണ്ട് കിട്ടി.
Crazy.
Wow.
That's not the first time that's happened to me.
Yeah, I haven't seen like that. Paul പേടിച്ചേ, Paul ആണ് പേടിച്ചേ. Paul, come on, Paul. You should catch it. You see, man.
I had a trevally jump in that was about this big.
Yeah, I don't believe you. You couldn't even catch it, man. I got camera, otherwise I would have catch it. Straight on. I don't want to lose my camera.